Hi, I'm sure you've heard it all before, but seriously, Chalk Couture is a legit life-changing company. But what is Chalk Couture? Chalk Couture is the coolest stuff ever. Simply transfer, paste, peel, and voila, many different surfaces, making amazing home decor and signs without the skill of the pro chalk designers. We sell silk screen, adhesive back, reusable transfers, and chalk paste that goes on wet and dries hard. And the cool part, it comes off with water. We also sell Couture ink, which can also be used with our transfers but stays permanent once it's heat set. Our transfers, paste, and ink can be used on many different surfaces, which makes it super fun to design, love, and repeat. We just launched in July of 2017 and we're just about 10,000 designers nationwide. We're an up-and-coming company. Join now while it's still in its early phase. It's only $99 to join, which includes your first month fee of $19.99, which includes the website maintenance, an awesome app for tracking inventory, and a free monthly $14.99 transfer, which is waived. Join now.